If I had one sentence to share about Now Teen Choices, I would say that we provide hope and a fresh perspective to students. Many students come in with a suitcase full of their own life experiences, as well as family history and information given to them by TikTok or social media. And I believe with our real life stories, we are able to give them hope of what they shouldn't do, maybe for students that are walking in our shoes, how to make better choices, and just a fresh perspective on how to make better choices in the future.
What makes Now Teen Choices different from your typical school assembly is our diversity. We have people from all backgrounds, from ethnic backgrounds, financial backgrounds. Our stories all differ, however, we all come together in unity. And we bring a passion and a level of empathy because we understand what it feels like to be unheard.
One thing that really stuck with me during the assembly is that they were very real. Like, they were all one-on-one, and they would come up to you and talk to you personally. And it really impacted a lot of students because, they probably were going through that at one point in their life.
The most powerful message I believe we bring to the classrooms is giving the children a voice. We give them a space to be heard, to be understood. And not only understood, but we empathize and have compassion for them as well. Far too often are children ignored or told not to share their feelings. We create a space where their feelings are valid, and not only valid, but we meet them in the moment. We meet them in their emotion before trying to give a solution. And that's sometimes all someone needs, is just to be heard, just to be validated, just to feel like they're finally seen for the first time in their life. And when that door opens, miracles happen.
I think these lessons will help me when I get out of high school because it'll help me pick who I want to be surrounded by and stand up for myself.
I think that goal setting and action planning are important to students today because it gives them a chance to concentrate on what they want to do in life, especially high school kids that are coming out of high school and maybe be going straight into college, that they can know what they want to do with their self. I think action planning comes in when kids can just jot down and journal certain situations and circumstances that they are in and how they were brought up, and then weigh what they want to do in life and which way they want to go.
It's not just for students or for individual teachers. It literally shifts the culture by us showing how restorative circles are not just for the bad kid or for the troubled kid, but restorative circles help heal environments. It's for everyone.
Circles are a safe space to connect, to build relationships, and to growth as a community. It definitely works because it helps everyone to embrace who they are without the fear of being judged. And that's how we grow as a community.
What restorative practices means to me is the healing of people having a hard time. I think at any given moment, you walk through the hallways of a school and you will pass students and teachers who are having a hard time of some sort. We're all carrying something, and we carry it with us in and out of classrooms, through the hallways, and into every interaction that we have with our students. When we engage with our students in a way that's restorative, I believe that we can empower them to create the repair for themselves. We're teachers, we're educating. We can't do it all, and we can't be all places at all times. But if we can empower them to repair the relationships that they cause harm in, how much more powerful would that be for the school culture?
The way that Now Teen Choices supports teachers and staff through personal development is through a very personalized and individual workshop for professional development days, for instance, including asking ahead of time, what are the specific needs for your school, your district, your team? And then we make our presentation fit that. And I love it because we collaborate with the administration beforehand so that our presentation's relevant and impactful. And beyond that, we offer monthly check-ins or monthly trainings to stay in the culture of the school so that we can continue to build on what was done on the PD Day.
Our work is culture shifting work. This is work that every school in every district, no matter the socioeconomic status, no matter the race or gender, every school needs Now Teen Choices, the work that we provide.